Here we are at hole number 16, which is a par 4 of 350 yards. A good drive down the middle, try and avoid the sand on the right hand side, and quite an expansive green, but well guarded with bunkers. Watch out for the breeze on this course, it can always catch you unawares. Hole number 17, par 3, 150 yards, a very picturesque hole, but it's broken many hearts over the years. A really beautiful, beautiful hole. Good luck. And another view of hole number 17, par 3, 150 yards again. This time you're coming across diagonally, and it makes it very, very tricky. Again, well guarded to the left and the right with bunkers, and don't forget the water. And here we are on the final hole, the 18th hole, which is a par 5 of 480 yards. A good drive here should see you to the water's edge. Avoid the sand on the left-hand side. Long hitters can attempt the green in 2, or alternatively, you can make your way up the fairway on the left-hand side. In the distance, you'll see the 19th hole, where an ice-cold Presidente awaits. This concludes your tour of Playa Dorada Golf Course. Enjoy